Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a couple of home decor items that I recently bought. You guys requested a home decor video, so here you go. Hey guys, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm MAITRAYEE HALDER. I do make a lot of skincare content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, especially my Instagram. And I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare concerns. So most of it that I bought are from Amazon and a little bit from WESTSIDE and Super 99 or Market 99 and a couple of different other stores. So we are going to start with Amazon first. So the first thing that I wanted to show you are these frames. Now I bought these frames for about like 1,000 rupees or 999 rupees for 6 of them, and they do come in like pretty succulent and flower patterns. So the first one is this one, second is this one, third is this one. I think it is a snake plant or fiddle leaf plant. I don't know, but I think it's a snake plant. The fourth is this one. The fifth one is a tulip. And the last one is a eucalyptus plant. They are pretty good in quality and they did come in a very good packaging, and the glass of the frame didn't broke, so I think it's a good bargain. I initially thought of like buying separate frames and then printing some of the prints that I really like, but I found that an individual frame like this of a quality like this will cost you something about 300 to 350 rupees. So 6 of them for 1,000 rupees is not a bad deal, and everything that I'm mentioning will be down in the description box below. Now the next thing that I bought is this planter. Now I initially thought it would be a set of 2, but it only came in a set of 1. It cost about like 350 rupees, so it's kind of expensive, but the quality is amazing. The paint isn't fading out anywhere, and I bought this to put on the either side of the mirror of my dressing table, and I wanted to like hang some cherry blossom flowers, and that would just go with my vibe. So I've already ordered another one of this, and that would be in my second part of this home decor haul because another set of bunch is on its way. This planter is a very geometrical print, very modern, and this particular thing is not ceramic, it's tin, and this is metal, so both of them are amazing. There was another of them which came in a set of 2, but it cost like 1,000 rupees, so it is much cheaper and it is much good quality. The seller didn't had any review, so I was really skeptical about it, but it turned out pretty great. Now a couple of hanging things that I bought is first of all this cactus that you can see. Now this cactus is painted on a MDF board if I'm correct, and this is like very pretty, very chic, very cute, and it looks amazing. It is like one of the best buys, and it cost only about like 200 rupees, so I was like really satisfied. And it says like bloom where you are planted, and yeah, you know, I love cactus. I love like this quirky thing, so this was a great buy. The second quirky thing that I bought is this cat right here. If you can see, this is a metal cat and it cost about like 800 rupees. The quality is superb, not a single mispainted part or a scratch is there, and I will hang it and I do not know where I will hang it, but I bought this because it is cute. It was like wolf, but because I'm a cat person and also a dog person, I wanted to buy this one, and this is so cute, so chic, and geometrical patterns like this just like attracts me. Again, one of the best things that I bought recently from Amazon is this like boho or very minimalist kind of a mirror. Now this particular mirror is a very chic mirror, and it also does comes with a hoop like this. I am thinking of like keeping it this part of my wall where the entrance of my room is, and it is such a chic decor. I'm like really satisfied with it. It is like 38 centimeters and it costed me about like 800 rupees or 850 rupees. I'm not quite sure, but the quality is amazing. And you also have this felt right here, and the paint is kind of this antique gold, and it does goes with the vibe of my room, and it is an amazing buy. Another thing that I bought from Amazon is this macrame hanging thing right here. I wanted to buy this for keeping like everyday essentials like my purse or like sanitizing spray and sunglasses and like few other magazines, and this is such a chic piece. Now I am into macrame and I do enjoy making macrame, but something like this does requires a lot of expertise and I'm not that expert, so I decided to buy this. It costed me about like 600 rupees, which is okay-ish, and if you can make macrame, it is pretty easy, and if you have the cord, and if you are into macrame, then you know the type of knots. I think the only type of knot that is used here is square knot, and this is the double cow hitch knot, so this is pretty easy in terms of knots and macrame, but I didn't decide to make it because it is quite an hassle. But yeah, it's an amazing one, and it also comes with a wooden ring, and I'm thinking of like putting the mirror, and then below it I'm going to attach this, because whenever I'm going out I can like check out myself, and whatever I need to take from this pouch I can just go with it. So it's a very functional yet a very boho piece. Now I think this was all from Amazon, and there are still a couple of more stuffs that are coming, so stay tuned. The next thing that I want to talk about is from WESTSIDE. I bought this particular light thing that you can see right here from WESTSIDE. It cost something about $7.99. I will insert a close-up, but this is such an amazing piece. It is geometrical. It is again this terranium kind of a piece. It does has fairy lights inside it, and it is electrical power, not like those battery operated, so it's really nice, and it's also pretty close to the switchboard of the PC, so I can just directly plug it whenever I'm filming videos or whenever I'm in a mood to do so. This is an amazing piece. I got this from the WESTSIDE store, I think in City Center 2, and I also placed some orders for like flowers and other stuffs from WESTSIDE, so stay tuned. Now coming on to Market 99 or Super 99 store, which is in City Center 2 again, but I bought these like geometrical baskets and wear basket. I bought two of these. It was costing about like 350 rupees, and it was very good quality. For 350 rupees, such a piece like this can be easily retailed for 500 or 600. I saw the exact same thing in Amazon for I think 1000 rupees for two of them, but I got in a pretty great deal. It also matches wooden imprints that I have on my study table and also some other parts of my room. Coincidentally, it went pretty great, and I also gave one to my sister, so yeah, amazing buy. And I pretty much store my scrunchies and other like hair products or like random things that you do not have anywhere to put in this, and it just stays organized and pretty. Now this succulent costed me about like 350 rupees, which is way above what I will pay for a product like this. The quality and the finishing is not that great for Market 99 things, but it is very lightweight, and yeah, it's not a bad deal, but it is not a great deal too. But so yeah, this was a succulent that I bought. And the last thing that I bought from Market 99 was this plant. Now this is a very overpriced plant. The quality is not that great, but it costed me about like 450 or 499 rupees. I'm not sure. Says like this, live simply, but I do not use this print because it is not finished that well, so I just use it as a blank canvas, and I'm planning to put it in my background. So yeah, it's not, again, not that satisfied with Market 99, but yeah, it's a decent buy. The last thing that I bought from a local market, which is like very close to my gym, are these flowers. Now I'm planning to build like a flower wall to switch out my background, because you guys want that like simple kind of a background, and I really like flower background. So in some of my videos in future you can see that flower background, but I'm planning on like collecting some of the pastel shades kind of a flower so that I can actually make that wall. But I'm not finding like those individual branch kind of flowers, and that's the reason I went in this flower shopping haul, but I still ended up buying some of the products. So yeah, this one was the first one. I bought this for about like 120 rupees, and these are I think carnations or peony, I'm not sure. I'm very bad with flower names, but it is very pretty and it's a decent quality like bunch. Even if I do not use it in my flower wall, I can still like put it in a vase and it would still look cute. The second thing are these sunflowers. Now, I previously bought this one for again my background, but you cannot currently see, but I will insert a clip where you can see the actual thing that I put it on. I think I put it on in a whiskey bottle and it still looks cute, and it is in a wire shelf. That wire shelf also is from Amazon if you are curious, but again I bought this sunflower one. It costed me about like 80 rupees. The quality of this one is pretty amazing. The next two flower bunches that I bought are all roses. So the first one is this peachy off-white beige kind of a rose, and it does has some pink pink details. So this one was for 90 or 100 rupees, and this was for the same price, and it is in this blush pink kind of a color. Both of them are again very amazing. I'm thinking of buying a couple of these and then attaching with the wire like this, and then I can hang it with some fairy lights. I don't know how it will turn out, but I will share with you the entire process. Last flower that I bought are these tulips. Now tulips looks amazing, and this is in this pinky pastel light pink color. I love this. This one was for 100 rupees or 110 rupees, I'm not sure, but these are the best things that I bought. The finishing is this velvety material and it looks quite natural, and this is one of the plants that I can actually use like a stem, and then I can make like a flower wall with it. So yeah, this goes into my flower wall. So this was everything that I bought from that local store. The last thing that I wanted to share, because I get a lot of DMs regarding this, is this particular thing right here. Now, if we have seen my previous video, that place that you see the light currently, I put this one right there. So this is basically like your fake fireplace kind of thing. It also makes like this fireplace kind of a sound, if you can hear that. The quality of it's not that good, but it looks pretty amazing in my videos. I bought this market, like a wholesale market, which is near to my house, which is called Metro, if you are familiar with that. And I bought this for around 350 rupees. Another thing from Metro that I bought is this lantern, and it is very chic, very boho. The only thing that I do not like is those print on the upper side of the lantern. I thought it's a simple one, and I really like simple decor rather than being over the top on designs. So that is the only thing that I didn't like, but I bought that one for 100 rupees or 200 rupees, I'm not sure, but it does has a rope detailing and it looks quite chic. So that was my home decor haul. Let me know how you think about this video. All the products that I mentioned, if they are available online, I will mention the direct link in the bottom box below. So if you like any product, then you can definitely shop from there. If you like videos like this video, comment down below any other questions or queries that you have. Share this video to any of your friends who likes home decor haul like me and you. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.